Hello dear students, my name is Rakesh Kumar Thakur. Today we will learn average, which is important for your exam. One or two question appears in each and every exam. You will see that one or two question surely will come from this chapter, right? So very easy chapter. This is a very easy chapter. And the second most important thing that average, the concept of average we use in other chapter also. So concept of average is very important. So here we discuss the shortest tricks of average, right? So let's move to the question. So before moving to the question, I would like to introduce you, let you know the concept of the average, right? So now see, what is the average? Suppose I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and I ask you what is the average? So average means the number, if the number is consecutive, the number which will come in mid. So see here, 3 numbers here, 3 digits here, 3 digits here. So this 4 is the average, right? Average. So from here, what I can define, if numbers are consecutive. So what is the term consecutive? Consecutive means the difference between the two numbers is same. Suppose 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So they are the consecutive number. If I take 2, 4, 6, again the number is consecutive because their difference is 2, 2, 2, right? If numbers are consecutive, then average comes in mid, right? Average will always come in mid, like this question, this concept, right? Now suppose I want to find the average by using the formula. So then what is the formula? So average is sum of all the number. Sum of all the number means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 upon total number. So total number are 7. So I will write here 7. Got it? Now add them. So if you add them, it's a 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, and this is 4. So 8 plus 8 plus 8. 24 plus 4, 28. So 28 by 7. If you divide it, 7 4 is 28. So what is the average? 4 is the average. Got it? So average will always come in mid if the numbers are consecutive. If the number are consecutive, you can write the average is equal to first number plus last number upon 2. Right? If the numbers are consecutive, first number plus last number upon 2. General formula of average is sum of all the number. Here I did. So sum of all the numbers. So I represent it by Sn. Means n is the total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 number. So sum of all number upon total number. Right? This is the general formula of average. If the number is consecutive, you can write first number plus last number by 2. Got it? Now see, if I want to find average, I must know sum of all the number and total number, right? Here you can see, students, there are 3 variables, right? So we can find one variable. If I want to find A, I must know 2 variable. Suppose I want to find Sn, so I must know A and N. So Sn is what? Sn is, do the cross multiply here. So you will get A multiply by N, right? So there is no need to remember this one. Just remember this formula. This is enough, right? And this is very easy. In the consecutive term, first number plus last number by 2 is the average. Okay. In some book you will find the average in consecutive terms is total number upon 1 by 2. If the number is consecutive and starting from 1, then you can use this formula also. Okay. So this is what the average is. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you. Suppose in a class there are 5 students, A, B, C and D and F. A, B, C, D and E, right? He has 20 rupees. Okay. He has 25 rupees. He has 15 rupees. He has 40 rupees. He has 20 rupees. So what is average? So what is the average means? Average means to make each one equal, right? So what happen in average? If I find the average of suppose this one, just make it little bit change 25, 30, this is 35 and this is 40, right? So what is the average? Average is 30. This will the number is consecutive, so 30 is the average. So what is the meaning of 30? 30 means this A is also 30, this one 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 is also 30. If you add it and if you add it, you will find same. See here, 30, 30, 30, 35 ja 150. This is 150 and add one, this one. Here you also get 150. After average, when you find the, if I say 5 students, they have average rupees 30, means each one have 30. But really maybe they are not same. In the real picture, there is he has 20 rupees, he has 25 rupees, he has 30 rupees, he has 35 rupees, he has 40 rupees. But if you say average, then average means everyone has 30 rupees. So if you add this 30, you will get 150 because total money always remains same. So this is 150. This must be 150. See here, 20 plus 25 is 45, right? 30 plus 35 is 65 and this one 40. So add it. This is 85. So if you add 85 here, 5, 5, 10, 1, 9 plus 6, 15. This is also 150, right? So if I say there are 30 students in a class and they score average 90% in maths, means maybe someone have more than 90, someone has less than 90, but average means on each there is a 90%. Okay, got it? So this is very important thing. Now let's move to the question. So this is our first question. Let me solve it for you. Please read the question. Average of 7 consecutive numbers is 23. Are 23. Average of 7 consecutive number is 23. Find the largest and smallest number of them. Right? So we have 7 consecutive numbers. So I don't know what are the what are the 7 consecutive number. So I will create first. This is the place of first consecutive number, second consecutive number, third consecutive number, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. These are the 7 consecutive number. So what is the average? If the numbers are consecutive, average always come in mid. 3 numbers are here, 3 numbers are here, so average is here. And the question is saying average is 23. So if this is 23, in consecutive number, next number is 24, next number is 25, next number is 26. So this is the largest number. So your largest number is 26. Now smallest. If you come backward, before 23, this is 22, this is 21, this is 20. So smallest number is this one. So smallest number is 20 and the largest number is 26. This is your answer. 20 and 26 and 20. Largest number 26, smallest 20. Got it? Very easy. let's move to the next question. Find the average of first 150 natural number. So, my dear students, what are the first 150 natural number? So, natural numbers start from 1, right? Whole number start from 0, but the natural number start from 1. Next number 2, next number 3, so on and so forth up to 150. So, I need to find average of this one. So, I told you the average is always first number plus last number upon 2 in the case of consecutive one. Okay, so what is my answer? 150 plus 1. This is the first number is 1, last number is 150 upon 2. So if you add it 151 by 2 and divide it in point, 2 7 ja 14. So here I left with 1 and 1. 2 5 ja 10. Again I left with 1. So put the point and get a 0 here. 2 5 ja 10. So this is the average of first 150 natural number. Okay. Similarly, my dear friends, if I ask you, this is a very famous question. What is the question? Question is, find sum of first 100 natural number. So can you find it? Here, if you don't know trick, you need to apply. You will try to add one everything. So don't try to add it. The first number is 1 and up to how much? 100. So my dear friend, average is what? First number plus last number upon 2. So the average is 101 by 2. So this is the average. Then what is the sum? Average is equal to sum upon n. So sum is what? S equal to A into n. So what is your average? 101 upon 2. And what is the total number? 100. Divide it. You will get 50 here. Multiply it. 101 into 50. So answer is 5050. So 5050 is the sum from 1 to 100. So this is the way you can find sum up to from start to anywhere. Like I tell you I ask you find the sum from 1 to 150. So I know what is the sum average. So what is the average? 150 plus 1 by 2, 151 by 2. And what is the total number? 150. So if you divide it, you will get 151 into 75. Multiply this, you will get the answer. There is no need to actual addition. Okay. So hopefully you got it. Now move to the next question. Please read the question. So I assume that you have pen, paper, pencil with you. If you don't have, you are just watching the video, it is not fruitful for you. So please take out your notebook, write each and every question, try to solve with me. First, if I am writing, then see the video, see the board. Okay. And after I finish, please note it. If I am telling something, if I am writing something, don't try to write it parallelly. Okay. First see and then write. Okay. So for I am giving you find the average of first 150 even number. So try to pause the video and try to find it. And now see, if you try to find it, now see what is the solution, how you can do it. Find the average of 150 even numbers. So I know that the formula of average is Sn upon n. Sum of number first average. See what is the question? Find the average of first 150 even number. So what is the first even number? 2, second even number 4, third even number 6. So up to I need to find up to 150. So it is not possible to add them, right? But I need to find the average. Okay. So there are many ways to find it. You can apply this formula, and there is another formula. I am it's not formula, it's a logic. See, what is the logic? I am taking the first two odd, even number. So what is the average? Add them. 4 plus 2, first number, last number, 6 by 2, 3. Next, take one more number, one more even number. So it's a 6. Now what is the average? 2, 4, 6. What is the average? This mid one is the average, 4, because the number is consecutive. Now take one more number, 8. Now what is the average? So which number will come in mid? One number here, one number here. This number will come in mid. So there is no number. 2 number here, 2 numbers are here. So which number will come here? 5. 6 plus 4. If you don't know, add 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is half, 5. So 5 is the average. Try to take one more number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now what is the average? This is come in mid. So 6 is the average. Now what I want to let you know that, see, these are the number, this is the average. Okay. So here, if I have two number, average is 3. Average is 3, means 2 plus 1, 3. Added 1, get average. Here we have number is 3. Numbers are 3. So average is 1 more, 4. So here, now see here we have numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers, so average is 1 more, 5. Now here we have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers, so average is 1 more, 6. Got it? Similarly, if we have a number from 2 to 150, right? So what is the average? If I want to tell you what is the average, how you can find? Now the question is saying find the average of first 150. Okay, this is not the question. Question is saying the first 150, means first, second, up to 150th even number, right? So here there are numbers, 150 numbers, n is 150. So what is average? Average is 1 more, 151. So this is your answer. Okay. If I ask you, what is the average of first 200 natural number, 200 even number? So average is 201. Okay. Now move to the next question. Find the average of first 150 odd number, right? So this is also very easy. Try to solve it similarly like I did for the even numbers. Now see the answer. So here we need to find average of first 150 odd numbers, right? So let's take first two odd number, 1 and 3. So what is the average? Here I write average and here are the numbers. Average is 3 plus 1, 4 and divide by 2. So it's a 2. Now take one more, 1, 3, 5. Then what is the average which come in mid? So 3. Let's take one more odd number. Now what is the average? The number which will come in mid. So 2 number here, 2 number here. In the mid, which number will come? 3 and in the mid of 3 and 5, 4. And you can do like 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Now see, when the numbers are 2, average is 2. When the number is 3, average is 3. When the numbers are 4, odd numbers are 4, average is 4. Means in the case of odd numbers, number of digit or numbers is equal to total numbers is equal to average, right? So here the question is asking find the average of first 150 odd number. So we have 100 from 1 to total 150 odd number. So here there is an odd number which comes on 150th position, right? So we know the total number is 150. So what is average? Average is also 150. So very easy. In the case of even, if n is the number, average is n plus 1. And in case of odd number, if number is n, total numbers are n, average is n. Right? So remember this. Otherwise you need to find by using formula. Move to the next question. The average of prime number between 1 and 20. So dear students, here we need to know what is prime number. So prime numbers are those number which comes in their own table and the table of 1. For example, and 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. First prime number is 2. 2 is the first even prime number. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. Okay, and prime number starts from 2. 1 is not a prime number. Keep it in your mind. So prime number comes in their table, 2 comes in its own table and table of 1. For example, 11. 11 comes in its own table and the table of 1. Right? So 11 is a prime number. Got it? Now question is saying, see here, average of prime number between 1 and 20. So first between 1 and 20, which one is the first prime number? 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, 17, 19. So these are the prime number between 1 and 20. So we need to add it and divide by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide by 8. So add them to find the average. We know now average is what? Sum of all the number by total number. So we need to find the sum. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 11, 28. 28 plus 13. 28 plus 13 is 20, 30, 40, 41. 41 plus 17. 58. 58 plus 19. 77 upon 8. Got it? Now divide it by 8. So 8 9 ja 72. 8 9 ja 72. You left with how much? 5 by 8. So this is your answer. 9 whole 5 by 8 is your answer. Got it? Move to the next question. Next question is, dear students, please read the question and try to solve it. Now see how I am doing it. First pause the video and try to solve, then see the answer. And when I am doing the question, please don't write anything. Okay? The average of the first 3 number is, now question is saying average of first 3 number. So first 3 number is first number, second number and third number, right? So average of the first 3 number is thrice of the fourth number. This is fourth number. Okay? So average of the first 3 number is thrice of the fourth. So if fourth number is average of fourth number is 1, so average of the first 3 number is thrice 3. Question is saying now the average of the first 3 number, this first 3 numbers average is thrice than the fourth. So if the fourth is 1, then the fourth, so it's comparing by 1 by the fourth number. So I took the fourth number is 1, so the average of these 3 number is thrice. So what is the thrice of 1? Thrice means multiply by 3. So if you multiply here 3, you get a 3 here, right? If the average of all the 4 number is 5, now question is saying average of all the 4 number is 5. Average of all the 4 number, right? All the 4 number is 5 here Sn by n is the average. So I wrote the addition of the 4 number. Here is the 4 and here is the average. Then find the fourth number. What is this number then? Okay. Now see. Here this is 3, this is 1. Means this is 3 ratio 1. Okay. And I told you in the chapter of ratio, whenever there is a ratio, we take x here. Multiply by x. Okay. So this is the average. Okay. Now, dear students, what is the, so here see, we have the average of the, first 3 number, which is 3x, average of the fourth number is 1x, and we know the average of all the 4 number is 5. Okay. So now see here, what is the formula of average? Average is equal to sum of the 3 number, first, second, third upon 3, and here average is equal to fourth number upon 1 because there is only one number. Okay. So what is the average of these 3 number? 3x. Okay. Upon Sn by 3. Here average is 1x equal to f by 1. Okay. So what is the sum of this 3 number? Sn is equal to cross multiply 9x. And here what is the fourth number? Sum of the fourth number, or there is only one number. So fourth number is 1 into x, 1x. So now I know the sum of these 3 number and this one. Okay. So if I find the average of all number, so I need to add this 3 number, sum of this 3 number plus fourth number upon 4 is equal to average. Total numbers average is 5. Got it? So what is S3? 9x. What is the fourth number? 1x upon 4 equal to 5. Cross multiply 9 plus 1x, 10x. 10x, and here is a cross multiply, you will get 20. 0 0 cancel, this come into divide, x is equal to 20 by 10. So 0 0 cancel, you get a 2 here. So what is the value of x? Now what is our fourth number? Question is asking what is the fourth number. So fourth number f is 1x, right? So 1 into, what is the value of x? 2, right? So 2 1 ja 2. So fourth number is 2. Is there answer? Yes. 2 is the fourth number. Got it? See, in the question we have the first average of the first 3 number and average of the fourth number, and we know average of whole number, total 4 numbers, average is 5. So what I need? This fourth number. So for that, this average of the 4 number can be written like this, means sum of the first 3 number plus fourth number upon 4 equal to 5. So I need S3 and F. So from here I get it. Average of the first 3 number is S3 by 3. We know it is 3x, A is 3x, cross multiply, got the S3 here. So Sn here means S3, right? And here this is only one number. So average is fourth number by 1. So cross multiply, you get fourth number 1x, and similarly put here and you get the answer. Okay. Even we can do it in we can do it in more shortest form. Like see how I am doing it here. See, see this is 3. This question is saying the first 3 number. So first 3 number and the fourth number. This is 1 average and this was 3. So if the average is 3, what is the sum? See, average equal to sum upon total number 3. So sum is what? Average into this 3. So if this is the average and I multiply 3, I get what? Sum. So sum of first 3 number is 9 and this is the 1 number. So average is 1. Its total value is also 1. So this is 1. So total is n plus 1, 10. 10, and this is a ratio na. I told you this is the ratio. So xx, so 10x. Okay. And the average of total number is S4 upon 4 equal to 5. So 5 4 ja 20. Put 20 here, 0 0 cancel. X is 2. So fourth number multiply 2 here because it is ratio. X and x multiplied here. So it is ratio. So 2 multiply here, you get a 2 answer. Okay. So whenever you find ratio, there is no need to write x here. It is in our mind that see what I will do in the exam. I will do like, see, more easier, more shortest. How I will do? So first please write the read the ratio first. Okay, some students are telling me, sir, we don't have a video of average. Okay, but we sent you na other lectures also, so please complete it first. Okay, now so this is 1, this is 3. Okay, so I know if I multiply 3 here, I will get the sum. So this is sum 1, 9 and 9, 1, 10. So it is 10 ratio. And here the sum average of all the 5 number is 4. All the 4 number is 5. So 4, 5 are 20 is the sum of all the number. So 0, 0 cancel. R is equal to 2. So multiply 2 here, you get 2. So fourth number is 2. That much easy for the exam. Move to the next question. Try to solve it. Pause the video, try to find the solution. Now I'm solving it. The average of the 5 number is 27. So we have the 5 number. So here it is the 5 and average is 27, right? This is the formula. If one number is excluded, so we left with only 4 number. If the 5th number is excluded, so there is a 4 number and the average is 25 now. Find the excluded number. The excluded number is, we need to find excluded number. Okay. Now see, my dear students, here in S5, we have 4 number plus the 5th number F, or you can take X, anything, upon 5 equal to 27. So you can cross multiply here. So sum of the 4 number, then the 5th number is equal to cross multiply. 7, 5 to 35. So 135. Okay. So what is S4? You get S4 from here. Multiply here, cross multiply. So you get the S4, 25 4 ja 100. Put 100 here. 100 plus 5th number which is excluded and 135. 1 will come this side. So the 5th number is 135 minus 100. You will get 35 as the answer. Very easy. Okay. Now, you know, if you multiply the number and average, you get the sum. So similarly, you can, in the examination, you can do it in less time. How? I know 27 number, 5 number average is 27. So I multiply 5 here to get the sum. So it is 135. And when one number excluded, there is a 4 number and average is 25. So what is the sum? 100. So in the 5 number, if I exclude the 4th number, so I get the 5th number, so minus, I get 35. So in examination, you need to just do this one. If you know the concept, how we getting the things. Okay. Write it. So now write it and then move to the next question. Now see this question. Please read the question. Please read the question and try to solve it. Now I am solving it for you. Now see here. The average of X number. So I don't know what is the X number. So sum of X number upon total number is X equal to average is Y square. And average of Y numbers. So what is the average of Y numbers is YX square. So from here I get the sum SX is equal to XY square. And from here this is SY equal to YX square. Now question saying, so the average of all the number. So take all the number. So SX plus SY and total number X plus Y. Total number here in X is X, Y is Y. So X plus Y is equal to average. So average is equal to, what is SX and SY? SX, SY. So XY square plus YX square. And here I get X plus Y. Okay. Now see here there is a X and there is a Y square. Here there is a Y and there is a X. So here there is a X and there is a X. So I can take X common because there is a X here and here there are two X into X. And from here I get a Y also. So what is left here? X, we took it out as a common. Here there is a Y square. So one Y is here. So here left with only Y. Now here Y is the common, X is here. So I left with only X. And here X plus Y. So X plus Y, this is cancelled. So what is the average? XY is your average. Okay. So is there answer? Yes. XY is the answer. Hopefully you got the answer. Move to the next question. the average of the largest and smallest three-digit numbers formed by 0 to 4 would be. Question is saying the average of the largest and smallest three-digit numbers. So what is the smallest three-digit number? Smallest three-digit number is this one, and largest three-digit number is this one. Okay. Now see once read question again. The average of the largest and smallest three-digit number formed by 0 to 4 would be. From 0 to 4 only. We need to form it. The average is formed by 0 to 4 only. Okay. So what is the average? Average is, it is addition upon 2 number. So add it. You will get 9, 9 and 10 upon 2. Divide it. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. So this is the average of the three-digit smallest and largest number. Okay, 3 digits smallest and largest number. But I need to take the average number formed by 0, 2 and 4 would be. Okay. Okay, so I got the, see here, question is saying the smallest number and largest number formed by these must be these 3 digits. Okay, so I don't take this one. I need to find the smallest and largest number using this one. So what? How I can find the smallest number? So smallest number is 0 to 4 of, but it is 2-digit number. So I need to take 204. Okay, this is the smallest number. What is the largest number? Take 4 here, then 2 here, then 0. This is the largest number. Now add them and divide by 2. So I will get 4, 2, 6 by 2. Now divide it. 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So 312 is the answer. Okay. Move to the next question. Now try to solve it. Pause the video. Now question is saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the consecutive even number. So if this is the consecutive even number, average come in mid. So D is the average. Okay. Even number. J, K, L, M are the consecutive odd number. Again, answer, and if the numbers are consecutive, the average come in here. So the average of all number. So there are there are many ways to find this average. So it depends on the option. Maybe this is D plus L and 2 number by 2. This is the average if it is an option. Okay. There is another method. See here, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the 5 number, consecutive 5 number. Okay. So what is the consecutive even number? So in the case of even number, if there is a number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so the average is 7. Okay. And in the case of odd number, J, K, L, M, N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the number. So 5 is the average. Okay. Now average of all the number. So how I can find the average of all the number? See here. So average of the first, this A to F number, sum, and then how many numbers? 6 number plus equal to 7, and sum of this J to N number is 5 number. So average is 5. So from here I get the sum. 7 6 are 42. A to F sum is 42, and here J to N average is 25. So now average of total number is sum of this one 42 plus 25, 7 6 upon how much? This is the 6 number, this is the 5 number, 11 number. So this can also be the answer. 11 5 are 55, 10 and 11. So this may be also the answer. So it depends on the option, what is the answer given in the question. So this one may be answer, this one may be answer. Now come to this question. If the average if A, B, C, D, E are the 5 consecutive odd number, their averages. See, A, B, C, D, E, consecutive odd numbers. So if the number are 5, in the case of odd number, average is also 5. But we don't have answer like that. So I need to find the answer like the given in the option. So what I will do, see here, A plus B plus C plus D plus E upon 5 equal to average. Got it? Is it given? No, it is not given here. Right? So see here. So here we find the average is 5, but this is not in option. We find the average like that, A, B, C, D, E plus 5, but this is also not in the answer. So I need to find some another way. C is the average, mid is the average, but C is not given. Okay. Now see, my dear friends, we have the 5 A, B, C, D, E, F, 5 A, B, C, D, E, 5 consecutive odd number. So suppose I have first odd number is 1. So what is the next odd number? 3. Next odd number 5. So what is the difference? Plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So for the first to second odd number, it is added 2. Means between two consecutive odd number, there is a difference of 2. So if the first, let's suppose, if the first odd number is A, what is the B? B is A plus 2. What is C? A plus 2 plus 2 means A plus 4. What is D? A plus 4, this number plus 2. Like if we have 3, then what is the next number? Add 2, 5. 5 is the next odd number. So similarly, A plus 4 plus 2, I will get A plus 6. And what is E? A plus 8. So these are the 5 consecutive odd number. So I need to find the average. So average is what? Sum of these number. So add them. If you add them, you will get A plus 2, A plus 4, A plus 6, A plus 8 upon 5 numbers. Now add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A. So write here 5A plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Sorry, 20 by 5. Now what is average? Take 5 as the common. So here we left with A and here we left with, if you take the 5 common, divide by 5, you left with 4 here. Multiply it, 5A, 20. Whenever we take common, means we divide, we take 5 common, so divide this by 5, divide this by 5. Okay. And 5 here, this one. So 5, 5 cancel. What is the average now? A plus 4. Is it in the option? A plus 4? Yes. A plus 4 is in the option. So this is the answer. So maybe like this situation, it may also occur in your examination. Like I find in 2 method, I don't get the answer. I will apply the third method. I need to think on it. Some student thinks that no, some student will think no, maybe the question is wrong. No, question is not wrong. You need to think it again. Okay. Move to the next question. So next question is, my dear friends, please read the question. Now question is saying the average age of 14 girl. So I took the 14 girl. So sum of age of the 14 girl upon 14 is average of 14 girl and their teacher. So teacher is also here. Average. So sum of the 14 girl plus teacher. So now we have the 15 people. So divide by 15. So we get the average 15 years. Question is saying the average age of 14 girls and their teacher's age. एक ही teacher है. There is only one teacher. So teacher age is 15. Okay. So the average of the 14 girl and the teacher is 15. Okay. If the teacher age is excluded, if I exclude the teacher, means remove the teacher, I get only 14 girl. So sum of the 14 girl upon 14. The average reduced by 1. So whatever the average here, it is reduced by 1. So now the reduced average is 14 when teacher went away. Okay. what is the teacher age now? What is the teacher's age? Now question is saying what is the age of the teacher? Now see my dear students, I need to find T here. So I need to find T here, but I don't know S14. So I need to find S14 from here. Okay, this is why it give us these informations. So what is the S14? S14 means sum of the 14 girls. If I add the age of all the 14 girls, so that is called S14. So 14, 196, right? So put this 196 here. 196 plus teacher. Then here cross multiply 15 is 225. Now what is T? Minus 196 here. So if you minus 196, this will come here in minus now. So if you minus, you will get subtracted from 225. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 3. 11 minus 9 is 2. Sorry. 29 years. What is the age of the teacher? 29 years. We can find it by another method also. Just in one line. See here. Average of the 14 girl and their teacher is 15. Now teacher excluded. Average become 14. So now if the average is 14 and teacher went away, it means average of the teacher was also, at least the age of the teacher is also 14 years. Okay. Now when he went away, one number decreases. One decreases in everyone. Average means what? On everyone. I told you in initial. So if average is reduced by 1, it means it is reduced from the all of the members, means all the 14 girls and teacher. Okay. So I take the 111 of each. So initially there were 15% now. So 111 of each is 15. So teacher age must be 14 plus 15, that is 29. You can do it in one line. See once again, maybe you don't get it. See here. See once again. Suppose I am giving you a example. Suppose you are you guys are 5 students. You are going for a picnic, going for a lunch in a restaurant. So you have average 100 rupees. So you have total 400 rupees. If you are 5 students, you have 500 rupees. Now I met you in the market and I told you that, okay, I will also like to join you. So what you will ask? Give 100 rupees. So I will give the 100 rupees. What is the average of yours? I will give the same number. So I will also give 100 rupees. Okay. Dear students, I told you initially average means on everyone, on each one, the number is same. If the average is 100, means each student is giving 100 rupees. So you have 500 rupees, 100 rupees I have also need to give to you. So I give 100 rupees because your average is 100. So I need to also give 100 rupees. Okay. Now we went to the restaurant. The restaurant owner said, no sir, you just told us that we are the 5 people, but you have now you are 6. So I need to arrange a chair for you. So I need, for the extra chair, I need 10 rupees as average. Means 10 rupees more as average. Means for each student I will take 10. So now you will tell me that sir, we have only 100 rupees. So you need to pay because we don't have. So I have to pay how much? 10 for each of you, means 50 rupees plus 10 for me. So I need to pay 60 rupees that one. Now suppose I give you 100 rupees to you. Okay. Now I am saying no, I will not join. So how much money you will return to me? What is my contribution? 160. So you return me your average 100 rupees plus 60 rupees extra, 10 rupees on each. So 10 plus 6, 10 into 6, 60 rupees that one, 160. This is the same concept I am applying here. When everyone's average is 15 years and teacher went, now the average is 14, means real average is 14, means teacher's age is also 14. Okay. Now when teacher went away, he took the one of each. So there are 14 student and 15th is the teacher, 15 person, one each. So 15. So a teacher also take away this 15. So what is the age of teacher? 29. If you got it, try to do this. Otherwise you need to do by the using formula. It will take some less time. It will take some more time. Okay. Now move to the next question. this question. Try to do it. Pause the video and try to do it. The average age of 4 brother is 12 years. Average age of 4 brothers is 12 years. Okay. So what I will take here, average age of 4 brothers is 12 years. Okay. If the age of their mother is also included, now take the mother come to the picture, mother join them. So now they are 5. The average increased by 5. So 12 was initial, it increased by 5 means now it is 17. The age of the mother is. Can you find it in one line? Yes, we can find it. See, when mother joined them, the average becomes 17. Okay. Then average becomes 17. Okay. And it increased 5 on each one. So mother will give extra how much? 5 on each. 4 brother and 1 is mother. So 5 into 5, 25. So what is the age of mother? 7 plus 5, 12. 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 4. Initial average is 12 na? So when mother joined them, initial average was 12. Now mother came in the picture, so 5 on each. So now the 5%, so 5 5 is 25. So 5 to 7, 2 plus 1, 3. 37 is the age of the mother. Now we can do it by using formula also. So find S4 from here. So you will get sum of the 4 brother is 12 4 ja 48. Now put this 48 here. So 48 plus age of the mother and this 5 and this 17. Multiply it. 48 plus M and 17 5 ja 85. Now bring it here. So 85 and this will come this side in minus, so minus 48. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So what is the age of the mother? Now the age of the mother is 37. So this is your answer. Got it? Now this is your question. Read once and try to solve it. Now see how I am solving it. The average age of 8% is increased by 2 years. Average age of 8%. So total age sum upon 8 is the average A. Now question is saying increase by 2. If when one of them whose age is 24 replaced by a new person. Question is saying in this 8% there is a 7% and there is a 1% whose age was 24. So this was the average. Now question is saying when one of them whose age is 24 is replaced by someone else. So this 7% and 24th is replaced. So now the new man come M whose age is M. Okay. So remain the persons are 8 is replaced by new person. The age of the new person is something is missing. When one of them whose age is 24 years is replaced by a new person, the age of the new person is average. Okay, the average of 8% is increased by 2. So now the new average is A plus 2. Okay, we need to find this M. Easily we can find it. See here, cross multiply and find S7 and put here. We need to find M, so need S7. S7 I get from here. So cross multiply 8A. S7 plus 24 equal to 8A. So S7 is equal to how much? 8A. This 24 will come this side. So minus 24. Put it here in S7. So 8A minus 24 is the value of S7 plus M, and this will multiply here. So if you multiply here, you will get 8A plus 2 here. Now 8A minus 24 plus M, cross multiplied 8A plus 8 to just 16. So this 8A cancel. In the equal to, if the number is same on the both side, you can cancel it. So now you've left with minus 24 plus M equal to 16. This 24 will come this side. So M is equal to 16 plus 24, which is 40 years. So age of the new man is 40 years. You can do it in one line also. See how. One whose age was 24, when a new member come, average increase by 2. So 2 will increase on each. So 8%, 8 to just 16 increase. So the age of the new person is 40 in the one line. Okay. So this is how we do the average. Now try to solve the question from the book you have, the PDF we have provided, and do the question. Whenever you get the problem, please ask us, in your group, or send the question in the WhatsApp. We will give you answer. Okay. And if someone is watching this, watching this video and preparing for Sainik school, military school, RIMC, and they want to enroll in our pen drive course, they can take our pen drive course by calling on this number 920-5330-671. Call on this number. We have the pen drive course for the military school, Sainik school, and all the schools. Pen drive is very popular course. This is very popular course which we are providing, and you can save your money by not giving a large amount of fee. Generally what happen, you go to the cities and give large amount of fee to the coaching institute. You don't need to do that. Stay in your home, stay protected, and prepare for the exam better than the coaching classes. Okay. Here the question and the video are prepared by the teachers who are from like IITs, NITs, and who qualified the numbers of exam like SSC, Railway, and RIMC, RMS. So we have the teacher, that number of teacher and qualitative teacher. So like myself, I am from IIT Kharagpur, right? So ask, call on this number, ask for the pen drive. There you will find there Roshan sir. Roshan sir will help you, and pen drive is very what I can say, in your budget. It is very cheap, not cheap. It's I say it's a cheap, not cheap. It's a very what, there is a word. You can buy it in less amount. You know, the pen drive course, maybe it's a 5,000 something like that. I am not confirmed, but this is the range. Okay, so just in 5 to 6,000 you can prepare whole examination in your home by the help of teacher. We send you the pen drive in which each chapter for the whole syllabus, each chapter is covered in the video form. We will give you the PDF from where you do the question. You can in the case of doubt, you can ask your teacher. You have the number, you can ask the teacher, so what is the answer of this question? Teacher will help you. Even we take the online classes at the last in the last 2 months of the examination, so that we can remove your doubt and we can help you, and many more things. You can ask it by calling it, and Roshan sir will give you the answer. Okay, so call it today and ask for the pen drive course for which examination you are going to be appear. Ask Roshan sir for the pen drive. He will give you complete information. Thank you for your time.